Hello, I'm Catherine McGuigan, Chief Executive of Meath County Council, and in this video message I want to outline the work of Age Friendly Ireland. A general objective of all local authorities is to improve the quality of life of the people in our communities, and a key part of this is the wellbeing of our older population, which will become more significant as the country's population ages and there will be a lot more older people than there are now. All 31 local authorities in the country have signed the International Dublin Declaration on Age-Friendly Cities and Communities under the World Health Organization, and each is implementing its own age-friendly programme at a local level. Meath County Council hosts Age Friendly Ireland, which is a national shared service that supports all local authorities and partner agencies in delivering better outcomes for our ageing population in terms of adaptable housing, walkable streets, independent living, suitable transportation options, and opportunities for older people to participate in community activities. Older people are particularly vulnerable to the Covid-19 virus, and the work of Age Friendly Ireland as a representative voice for older people accelerated during the period of the lockdown as new demands for its services emerged, and it was central in helping to provide effective responses to the pandemic. Catherine McGuigan, Chief Officer of Age Friendly Ireland, will outline some of the important work undertaken in recent months to support the efforts of protecting the health and well-being of our older people.
The advisory support role of the Age Friendly Ireland Shared Service expanded during the pandemic as we advised a number of stakeholders and helped to guide them in how to make their services more age-friendly, especially during the emergency situation. The nature of our structure has enabled us to work with the 31 age-friendly programme managers and 6 regional programme managers across all of the local authorities, and we were able to play a key role in the delivery and coordination of the community response forums in each of the local authority areas throughout the country. Part of this was the delivery of online training for staff answering the community support phone lines, so that the response at local level was appropriate and met the needs of the most vulnerable at the time of lockdown. A wide range of innovative responses continues to be delivered across the 31 local authority-led multi-stakeholder programmes, and we have captured these in a national repository as a learning tool for sharing across the wider network to facilitate replication and scale-up, and we will continue to work with the World Health Organization in this regard. Through this work, we hope to produce very practical guidance for any future emergency events for both national and international audiences, or for a second wave of the COVID-19 virus should that happen. Age Friendly Ireland works closely with a range of key stakeholders so that any issues that emerge can be escalated for resolution. As a result, a number of measures were introduced to support our ageing population in recent months, enabling them to continue living safely with access to the supports that they need. Given that older people are not an homogeneous group, it is imperative that the voice of the diverse population of older people is heard, and to ensure that all of the challenges are responded to. We have provided technical support and guidance to enable these diverse voices to be heard and to be translated into action. We produce a range of materials and guidance documents which help to deliver real policy change and practical delivery on the ground. Much of what we do goes unseen. We will work with a wide range of government bodies, organisations and agencies and act as a champion for older people to help realise tangible and lasting positive change. Our new Age Friendly Ireland website contains our latest information and hosts technical guidance documents, toolkits, methodologies and various case studies, and we are freely available to talk to and advise stakeholders on any relevant issues. The COVID-19 situation has helped us all to refocus and to reconsider how we provide and care for our ageing population, especially now as the country's population will continue to grow and age. Key elements of our work have been reflected quite significantly in the new programme for government, We have worked hard to ensure that the voice of older people was heard and are very happy to see a number of very firm, positive commitments by the new government towards the needs of older generations. These include measures on appropriate housing, town centre regeneration, transport, planning for older people and long-term care. In the context of the pandemic, Age Friendly Ireland has had to adapt how we interact and work with our network of programme managers, older people's councils and other stakeholders. And despite the restrictions, this work continues to progress.
Meath County Council is proud to host Age Friendly Ireland as a shared service for all local authorities. We are also proud of its work, which has helped Ireland become the first country to be recognised by the World Health Organization as a leading example of good practice in the delivery of age-friendly initiatives. The work of the shared service in pulling together the various agencies, their policies and practices, has helped in providing services to the most vulnerable during the Covid-19 crisis. As Catherine says, the work will go on and we look forward to Age Friendly Ireland playing a stronger role in future in promoting the needs of older people, advocating on their behalf and effecting change in policy and improving the response to older people's needs at local level. So thank you for listening.